Hello everyone. In this video I have this integral that I would like us to look at. It's the integral of x squared all over x squared plus 2x plus 1 dx. Now the approach is as follows. We have the integral of x squared all over x squared plus 2x plus 1 dx. Now we proceed as follows. This is the same as the integral of, watch this, x squared minus 1 plus 1. There's your special 0 there. We're dividing this by, now notice that the denominator factorizes. It factorizes to x plus 1 all squared, and then we have dx. Now I'm going to continue as follows. This is the same as the integral of x squared minus 1 all over x plus 1 all squared plus 1 all over x plus 1 all squared, like so, dx. Remember term-wise division in the numerator there. We divided this into x minus 1 and also into 1. And there's a plus sign in the center there. There you have it. Now factorizing the numerator here and distributing the integral and dx, we proceed as follows. This is the same as the integral of x plus 1 and then x minus 1 all over x plus 1 all squared dx, and then plus, there's your plus sign, the integral of 1 all over x plus 1 all squared dx. Now, so you can see this one cancels 1 down here. So we have the integral of x minus 1 all over x plus 1 dx. And you'll allow me to say this is the same as the integral of x plus 1 power minus 2 dx. You'll understand why I'm doing that shortly. And now here I'm going to use long division to simplify this. So move on to the next page. As follows. Right, so now what we have, long division first. We're basically saying we have x minus 1 and we're dividing this by x plus 1. Remember how we do it? First term into first term. The answer is 1. Multiply 1 by the whole expression. So we have x plus 1. And then subtract. This cancels that. This becomes minus. So minus 1 is minus 2. So we're saying therefore the first part you can write it as follows. The first part here you can write it as follows. The integral of, watch this, 1 plus our remainder is minus 2 all over x plus 1. That's the first part. And then we have dx plus this part here, which is the integral of x plus 1 minus to the power minus 2 dx. Now, distribute the integral dx. We proceed as follows. This is the same as the integral of 1 dx. And then we're going to say plus the integral of minus 2 over x plus 1 dx. And then plus the integral of x plus 1 to the power minus 2 dx. Right, now I'm going to take minus 2 out because it's a constant. So this is the same as the integral of 1 dx. And minus 2 there, it will just be minus 2 times the integral of 1 over x plus 1 dx plus the integral of x plus 1 in brackets to the power minus 2 dx. Right, at this point, I'm going to let u be equal to x plus 1. So let u be equal to x plus 1. That means du equals dx. You agree with me there? So we transform these two integrals and we evaluate that integral there. Taking us to the last page. So we're basically saying now that that integral changes to that the 1, 2, 3 integrals change as follows. The first part is just x, and the second part, you'll agree with me, is minus 2 times the integral of 1 over u. Remember, x plus 1 is u, and then dx is du. And then we have plus the integral of u to the power minus 2 du. Remember, x plus 1 is u, and dx is du. Evaluating these two integrals, you'll agree with me that this is just x minus 2 times the natural log of u. And then here we use power rule, add 1 to the numerator, to the power, and then divide. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, then we divide. So we're saying plus u to the power minus 1. Let me take it slowly. All over minus 2 plus 1. And then we have to say plus the constant of integration. Let's clean up here. So this is the same as x minus 2 times the natural log of u. And then we have plus u to the power minus 1 all over minus 1 plus c. Notice that this minus will change that plus sign, and I'll bring the u down there using laws of exponents. So this is x minus 2 times the natural log of u. And then we're saying minus 1 over u, and then plus c. Now let's revert to our original variable, which is x. And what's the connection between x and u? Here it is. X plus 1 equals u, or u equals x plus 1. So therefore, the final solution is x minus 2 times the natural log of x plus 1. And then we have to say minus 1 over x plus 1. And then plus our constant of integration. So this is the final solution to our integral. I hope you found this useful. Your feedback remains important to us. Let me just remind you of the integral we have been working on. It's this integral here. All right, tell me what you think about this integral. How would you have approached it? I'll be interested to hear from you. All right, see you next time.